When you want something quick, make this omelet. To start, in a bowl I add 3 eggs and mix until I get a smooth, homogeneous consistency. Now, I add a can of tuna. Tell me, have you ever made any recipe with tuna? Next, I add a chopped onion, 1 tomato cut into small cubes, and I mix everything very well. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a special shout out. Now, I add 100 grams of mozzarella, because cheese is always good in everything. Now I season with black pepper and salt to taste. After that, I mix everything very well. Now I add a 1/4 cup of wheat flour. I also add a little cilantro to taste, then mix everything very well. We mix until all the ingredients are well combined. In a frying pan, I add a drizzle of olive oil and spread it well over the entire bottom. Then, I gently pour in the mixture. Tell me what you think of the recipe. So far, I'd really like to know. With a spoon, I spread the mixture to ensure even cooking. Now, I cover it and let it cook for 10 minutes. After that time, I flip the omelet onto a plate. Then, I put it back in the pan to brown the other side and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Now, I remove it from the heat and place our delicious omelet on a plate. This recipe earned a place in my kitchen with no effort at all. After making it the first time, it was impossible not to repeat it, because the result speaks for itself. Every time I make it at home, someone comments on the aroma, on how it looks on the plate, and even those who never give compliments end up giving one. Try it at home too, and tell me what you think of this omelet. I'd love to know.
Did you know that if you cook instant noodles, then drain and set them aside? Finally, chop a carrot. Chop cilantro to taste. Then in a bowl add 3 eggs, the noodle seasoning, the carrot, and the cilantro, and whisk everything together. Then take it to a pan with a drizzle of oil. Make a little bed with the cooked noodles and pour the mixture over the top. Let it cook well on one side. Flip it with the help of a plate and brown the other side. Finish with a little more cilantro on top. In just a few minutes, you'll have a quick, different, and delicious meal. Perfect for when hunger strikes and time is short.